Louder.
Mommy's gonna be vlogging me doing an obstacle course.
Say what?
Obstacle course.
What is happening?
So we're doing an obstacle course.
You are, not me.
Well, Mom's vlogging me, and I'm gonna be doing the obstacle course.
Yep.
And before we start the video, give me a big thumbs up to my channel and subscribe.
Yes, tell them to give you some love.
Okay. And it starts right here. The obstacle course starts right here, and it goes around the kitchen over there.
Okay.
So, jump there,
Mm-hmm.
jump down,
Mm-hmm. Do a.
do cartwheel
Okay.
under the table.
I don't know what kind of obstacle course that is, but let's see.
And drag with the blanket.
Drag the blanket with you.
And I need a bit of space here.
Okay.
Okay, you need to come over here.
I can see you. Okay.
And I'm using pillows.
Foxy is cheering for you.
Mom's not letting me use weights, so I'm just going to use pillows for weights. I'm going to use pillows for weights.
Oh, you mean you actually wanted to use the actual weights to do some exercise?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that for the next one. Okay. Let's see.
I'm using pillows.
Yes, they are weights. Mm-hmm.
They're not that heavy.
Well, you don't need it to be too heavy. There you
Okay.
go. Give me those triceps.
Okay, come on. So, jump. Oh, that was hard. That was so hard.
It was hard?
Ooh, ooh. And this, come on. Come on, you might need to come in front here. And rock.
Is that an obstacle?
Yeah. Okay, jump over the chair. This is going to be
Are you
hard.
serious?
Okay, let me do it like that way.
No, the other way.
How can I do it?
You can do it with your legs open. Okay.
And then do another hoop.
Get a little bit this way so you don't hit the wall. There. Again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What happened? You used to do like up to 100 count.
No, that's a jump rope.
No, even the hula hoop. See what it means when you...
Whoa.
Yeah, that you can make it your jump hula. Let's call it jump hula. Jump hula hoop. Okay.
I missed.
Are you gonna do the rocking chair, the other one? Are we done? I'm vlogging. You can't just be...
And rock.
Is this what we do when it's raining
And
outside?
last part.
Jump rope?
Look at the jammies.
No.
Okay, last part, jump rope. Or weights.
You can
Last
do...
part is jump rope. Let me move yours.
Don't move mine. Don't touch my weight. Just grab yours. There you go. You can't be sitting, Coco. You gotta hurry up. People are watching.
The last part.
You're too close to the...
Let's
Like,
try it.
yep. Not too... Slow down. Good job. And then... You know why it's not straight? The jump rope is twisted. See? This side. Coco, this side. You have to straighten it, like shake it from one side to the other. It's too twisted. I can see.
Whatever.
Why are you doing like this?
I liked it.
Okay, do it in a fun way, not like you're like a snake. Really? Do you want to talk to your viewers?
There we go.
Tell them what you're doing.
Jump roping. The last part.
Do a easy jump, Coco. Don't do it like this. Like you're doing like a giraffe. Yeah, there. You better do it good after you moved everything in the whole house for your obstacle course. That's better. Oh my God, you're tired?
The lights just went down.
Max, the dog. Max, what you think? Is she wasting our time over here? Are we done? You actually like breathing her like, huh? Okay, talk to your viewers. Tell him that's it.
That's it for today, but don't end it, Mom.
I don't edit. I don't edit the vlog. What do you want to show your viewers?
I'm gonna finish.
Okay.
Can you flip the camera on this thing?
It doesn't flip.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, it does. So
Don't put me in your
today, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button right there, and give a thumbs up. I already said that at the beginning. Subscribe. Bye.